Hi there, welcome to the Dime program. I'm so excited to have you here. In this program, we're going to be learning everything that you need to build and sell digital products all over the world and make consistent income every month, right? So as you can see, this is the Dime workbook that has been organized to contain all the information that you need, right? Everything you need is going to be in this workbook, right? All you need to do is follow along. And we have a Telegram community where you can come in, ask questions, get support, find resources, and all of that. We also have a WhatsApp community, but the difference is that Telegram allows us to have records of information, allow us to pin messages from the start of the program to whenever you are joining the program. I don't think we have that support on WhatsApp, right? So I would advise that we prioritize the Telegram community when it comes to the Dime program. So as you can see, we have a number of modules to complete in the Dime program, depending, and now this depends on how far you're willing to go, right? So module one is basically this introduction, and I will show you how to set up your AI workspace on whatever tool you are using. Maybe it's ChatGPT, it's Claude, or it's Gemini, which is your major AI tool that you're going to need throughout. You're going to become really great friends with your AI tool, right? Because that's the whole point of this program. We're also going to move into demand. We're going to find demand in the market and we're going to solve for that demand. Then, depending on what you want to start with, if you want to start by selling a hot digital product from today, right? We're going to talk about that. And then when you want to build your own products and sell, in fact, you want to build your own product ecosystem to sell to customers all over the world, we're going to work on that. Now, we're also going to look at how you create your offer and your product, how you build a sales and marketing funnel, how you drive traffic to your offer, right? How you deliver your product or service, how you collect your money, and how you scale your winning campaigns to different countries around the world. Then we also look at some advanced selling systems. So that's nine modules in total, right? But those modules are broken down into topics. So in every module, we're going to talk about some specific topics. Some modules have less topics than the rest, but when we get to the bulk of the work is from like the fifth module downwards, right? But don't worry, we're going to go through everything together, and I'm sure you're going to get value for the time and investment you're putting into this program, right? Now, let me quickly show you what is possible when you enroll and actually complete the Dime program. Like you follow through with everything that I'm teaching and showing. As you can see, this is one of my accounts. I'm seller. This is not my only account, and this is not even a very serious account, but I organize my accounts across like specific products. So if I'm selling products related to a particular market, a particular niche, I have one account for that, and all the products are going to be listed on that particular one. So as you can see, I made up 644 sales here, over 9 million in naira, then 465 in USD pounds, and in Ghana cedis. And I've not even scaled this account so much like that, right? And the what correlates with this, as you will see on my Google Sheet record, is how have I been making these sales? As you can see, like in May, I made close to 5 million naira, and I'm recording this in June, right? Like this is mid-June, and I'm already like on track to hit like 5 million. This is 2.8, and I'm not even doing very much on this account, right? I'm not even doing very much. And as you can also see where the money is coming from, what channels have been driving the sales. And as you see, when I started to focus more on Meta, I've been selling something every single day. There's no day that I don't make sales or something. Some days I make up to, I don't know, 10 sales or more. Some other days I make just different depending on how much I'm willing to invest into what I'm doing. And I don't need to do anything extra. Like I've built all of these products and people are going to keep buying it, till kingdom come, as long as the demand exists in the market. And this is exactly what I'm teaching you to and showing you how to do so that you can make this money, right? So let's jump into just a quick introduction of the Dime machine, right? Dime is digital income made easy, right? And the outcome that we're expecting from this particular topic that I'm taking you through is for you to understand what kind of business you are building. You need to know why it is worth your time and what you'll be able to do once you complete this program, or as you even walk through the program, through the steps that I'm going to be taking you through, right? So, first things first is that you are already taking a step that most people do not take, right? Most people are scrolling on the internet, trying to figure out the next make money online scheme, looking for fast solutions to problems that do not have quick solutions, right? So you actually have to put in the work for whatever it is that you're trying to get into. So that is basically what we are discussing here in the digital product business, right? It is basically very simple. You create or sell something digital, right? Something that you can sell on the online space. It could be a guide, a template, a course like this, a tool. It could be anything that you deliver online to people, right? It could also be a service that you have, right? And this is different from traditional commerce, like e-commerce, or maybe like drop shipping or whatever, where you have to have a shop, you need to have a lot of capital, you need staff, you need to rent a place, all of that infrastructure and heavy weights that you need to pull together in the beginning. You don't need that to sell digital products, right? It is straightforward that whoever is you want to sell to, which is the buyer, right? The buyer is going to pay you online, right? You collect the money online, you deliver the service to the person online. You don't have to do any other thing aside from that, right? You deliver everything online from the comfort of your home without begging anybody, without it is like the least stressful thing that you will do to make money, and it is very profitable. That is what I want you to understand, right? And this is better than every single business that you could start, and we could make comparison. One, it requires near zero cost per sale. You can sell the same thing to one person or 1 million people, and it does not cost you anything extra, right? Someone else that is trying to sell multiple products, that has a store, that has a shop, they have to buy new stock for everything that they are selling. But you don't have to do that, right? You don't need any inventory. Right? That's like you're buying products to store in a shop. You're not paying rent, you're not paying for staff, right? The only thing you're paying for is your internet bundle, your internet subscription, which you're already paying for, and you're using it for different reasons. I mean, most people use the internet to doom scroll on the internet and look for trouble in different comment section and romanticize other people's lives, right? But that's not what you're doing because you are here. You are in this program. You are here. You're making a better decision, right? You can deliver this worldwide instantly. You can send someone in Lagos, someone in Johannesburg, someone in London, someone in Texas, and you get paid in whatever currency of the market you are selling to. The best thing now is because of the times that we are, AI does most of the work that you're doing, right? AI does everything for you. So you don't even need to do anything extra. You don't even have to have a skill. I mean, it is better leverage for people that already have a skill. You have a certain skill, you know how to cook, you are already like doing a 9 to 5 job, and you're serving, like you're rendering your services to your employer, to your company. All of those things that you're already doing right now are skills that you can package and sell in different formats on the internet as digital products. And this will make you a whole lot of money, right? And I don't know whatever business you've been thinking about before. Maybe it is importation business, it is physical shop, is I don't know what it is, right? It might even be one get rich scheme, forex, whatever scheme. I don't know, whatever it is that you're thinking about, right? But this one, it is sure banker for a very long time. It's not one of those things that you are going to be scared. It's not going to be in demand later on. Maybe AI is going to take your job or whatever. It has no business with things like that, right? So the whole thing that we're talking about in this program, in simple terms, step by step, is this. This is what I want you to focus on, right? This is the summary of Dime. This is it, right? You find what people are already desperate to buy, right? And then you pick an option to provide a solution to what they are looking for. Now that option is option one. You can sell someone's product that is already solving for that problem, right? Or you build your own solution to that problem, right? That is it. And then the steps that you take to accomplish this is what you're working through in this program. So you can put up a simple offer page, right? A simple landing page. You drive traffic to that page. You make your first sale. You deliver the solution or the service, and that is it. And you keep scaling this process. Once you build this process once, you keep scaling it forever. You don't have to do anything additional to this, right? Except depending on how much work you want to put inside. That is it, and that's what we're going to be covering in the Dime program. You get everything, support. You get the AI prompts. You get community support. You get all the information for life, right? And we keep updating this workbook to reflect every single thing that you're going to be benefiting from this program. And then you have the community to also, people that are also building their own digital products and services. You get to see how they're implementing it. And then you can decide what you can improve. You can even reach out to me or any of the community members or admins to help you to solve the problem that you're probably facing, right? So what I want you to take away from this is to make a decision and write it down, right? So you see this prompt here, by the 90 days from now, or by next week, or by next 2 weeks, I would have made my first online sales with Dime, right? That's what I want you to do. Take the first step, get your notepad, right, and write this down. This is what I want you to write down so that you can work towards it. You can also frame your mind. Sometimes we need to push ourselves to do certain things. If you don't set an alarm, for instance, and you're going to sleep, you might not wake up at that 5 a.m. that you want to wake up, right? So you need to put a time to it, that this is the time I want to get this done, so that you actually get this done and you can hold yourself accountable. In fact, if you're in the community, write this down in the community, that by Monday next week, I would have made my first online sales with Dime. So that by Monday next week, all of us in the community will check on you and say, how far have you made your first online sales today, right? And then we can know what is the reason why you have not made that sale, and then we can help you to fix it. So that is it. Welcome to the Dime program. This is module one, and this is topic one as well. I'll see you.